The best motorcycle gloves for 2023. Gloves for every rider. Ladies and gentlemen, it's 2023, and it's time to gear up with the finest motorcycle gloves on the market. Get ready for an in-depth look at the top contenders. KEMIMOTO. To begin, I received the KEMIMOTO Tactical Gloves for men, and let me tell you, these gloves are a game changer for anyone who enjoys motorcycle riding, cycling, tactical training, airsoft, paintball, shooting, hunting, hiking, camping, or climbing. The wonderful design and quality of these gloves was the first thing that impressed me. The robust knuckle protection and palm padding not only gave excellent protection, but also added a tough and elegant appearance that shouts adventure. But these gloves aren't just for show, they're also functional. Touchscreen compatibility on the fingers is a game changer for individuals who can't live without their electronics, even while they're out in nature. The gloves fit like a second skin and provide excellent grip and control. They're extremely robust and provide excellent protection without compromising comfort. Whether I'm riding my motorbike, traversing rocky cliffs, or simply texting on my phone, these gloves provide in every way. If you're seeking for clothing that blends style, usefulness, and toughness, the KEMIMOTO Tactical Gloves are a must-have in your arsenal. Your hands will appreciate it. Cierto. Next up are the Cierto motorcycle gloves, which are a good option for all types of bikers and outdoor lovers. Whether you're a guy or a gal, these gloves provide an exceptional combination of design, utility, and comfort that will take your riding experience to the next level. The robust knuckle protection not only gives you a rough military style, but it also ensures unrivaled safety. The touchscreen compatibility is a lifesaver, allowing you to stay connected even while you're on the road. The breathable gloves keep your hands comfy, and the anti-slip construction gives exceptional grip and control whether you're riding a motorbike, dirt bike, or participating in airsoft activities. These Cierto motorcycle gloves are also built to withstand the harshest conditions, while keeping your hands comfortable and safe. So if you're looking for gloves that provide an unrivaled blend of style and performance, they are an excellent choice. Alpinestars SMX-1. Here we have the Alpinestars Men's SMX-1 Air V2 motorcycle riding gloves. These gloves are designed for cyclists who want perfection in both style and performance. You can anticipate top-notch quality and longevity from Alpinestars' renowned workmanship. It provides an excellent balance of ventilation and protection, making them perfect for riding in hot conditions. While the mesh fabric and synthetic leather mix not only keeps your hands cool, but also provides a pleasant and secure fit. The strong knuckle protection and TPR finger sliders provide extra protection without sacrificing flexibility. And the touchscreen compatible fingers keep you connected on the go. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, these gloves will definitely improve your riding experience by providing the ideal blend of elegance and usefulness. So if you're looking for motorcycle gloves that actually tick all the boxes, the Alpinestars SMX-1 Air V2 is a wise buy. Harssidanzar GM028. Now, let's go on to the Harssidanzar leather motorcycle gloves for men, GM028. They are a definite standout when it comes to a winning blend of style, protection, and utility. These gloves, made with precision and careful attention to detail, are the ideal companion for any cyclist. The real leather structure not only emanates sophistication, but also provides long-lasting durability. The robust knuckles provide superior protection while allowing you to move freely, and touchscreen compatibility on the fingertips is a modern-day need for staying connected on the go. These gloves also give a firm grip and superb control whether you're driving along the broad road or negotiating tight curves. Overall, these gloves have achieved a perfect blend of design and performance, making the GM028 a must-have for every motorcycle fan. Seibertron Dirtpaw. The Seibertron Dirtpaw unisex gloves are the pinnacle of adaptability and performance for anybody who enjoys riding BMX, MTB, ATV, or road racing motorbikes. These gloves are built to handle the most difficult off-road terrain while delivering unparalleled comfort and protection. You can use your gadgets on the fly with full finger coverage and touch recognition technology. The hard knuckle protection ensures safety while allowing for flexibility. Whether you're a dirt track racer or a road racer, these gloves provide outstanding grip and control, ensuring you stay in command of your bike. Seibertron has also created the glove that is suitable for a wide spectrum of riders, seamlessly combining design and utility. If you're looking for gloves that perform well in a variety of riding disciplines, they should be your first pick. With Seibertron Dirtpaw gloves, you can dominate any terrain. They're a definite game changer for riders of all types. Milwaukee Leather MG7510. The Milwaukee Leather MG7510 men's black leather gel padded palm short wrist motorcycle gloves round out our collection. These are the epitome of comfort and practicality, intended to elevate your motorbike riding experience. With a robust leather construction that emanates quality and toughness, these gloves are made to last. The gel-padded palm provides superior comfort and reduces stress on your hands during extended rides, while the short wrist design gives a touch of classic flair. The full panel cover guarantees optimum protection, making these gloves ideal for motorcycle enthusiasts looking for both safety and flair. These gloves give a fantastic grip and control, giving you confidence in your ride whether you're driving down the motorway or conquering the open road. Overall, Milwaukee Leather has produced gloves that are a real monument to their dedication to rider comfort and safety. Thanks for tuning in, and ride safe in style with the best motorcycle gloves of 2023.